is another ACX check, and we see we got our RMS level is not quite right. We need to normalize that RMS. I just downloaded the RMS Normalizer plugin, which is the same process as that the ACX check. So it's a download from the obscure URL, put it into the hard to find folder, which I outlined in the last one. And now we have the RMS Normalize, which I realize goes outside of your screen. But you're going to have to believe me down here. I see a plugin called RMS Normalize. I'm going to click that. I want -21. I'm going to do OK. And it's going to make this stuff all go nutso. There it is. So now I do a quick play, and it's going to sound really loud. That's okay. I can just turn down the volume. It's good to have more volume and be able to turn it down. There we go. There we go. Sounds good. Let's check our ACX. And we have fixed the RMS. Yay. But the peak now exceeds. So the RMS, I have no idea what that thing does. But it also just makes it louder. And so that gave us some trouble with the peaks. So now we just need to chop off those peaks. And we're going to do that one in the next video.